What's going on, folks? I wanted to make this quick video to showing you if for some reason your window won't go up on your vehicle, there's a way that you can get your window up in case your switch is bad right here. What you would need to do, this happens to be a Chevy Traverse, was probably the same for about the Chevy Traverse, the Buick Enclave, as well as the GMC Acadia, the way that the configuration is set up. But this same process works on most vehicles. All you have to do first of all is just remove wherever your switches are. If it happens to be a Chevy Traverse, you just pop out this cup holder part right here. Then you want to come back here to the actual plug. This will be like a little tab right here. I'll show you like that. There'll be like a little tab right here that you want to press to unplug this. And once you unplug it, what you'll see is your electrical harness that looks like this. If, like I said, if you're working on a Chevy Traverse, Buick Enclave, as well as a GMC Acadia, what you probably want to do is just turn your electrical plug into where this configuration, where this part right here is facing down, and you'll have a contact, 4 contacts at the top, 1 contact, a blank spot, and 3 contacts that's next to that. So if you're trying to get your window to go back up, what you would want to do is, I kind of drew out a diagram for this vehicle. So if you want to go up, what you're going to want to do is jump the top 4, which means you want to go from this one, jump 1, plug the jumper wire into that one. Then you want to go from the second one to the 4th one. So you want to go from the 1st to the 3rd, and then from the 2nd to the 4th on a Chevy Traverse to let this window up. And you're going to want to go to let the window down. What you're going to want to do is go from the first 2 at the top, from spots 1 and 2, and then you're going to want to go from the very last one in the top row and jump into the bottom row. So I'm going to go ahead and let this window the rest of the way down so you can see it pretty much work to show you how it goes. So what I'm going to do is take, also if you don't have like jumper wires, these are some good things maybe you want to get. I do have an Amazon store down in the listings. You can click on it. You want to get a pack of jumper wires, will basically come in handy. So what you're going to want to do is come from, so I'm going to be letting this window down. So I'm going to be doing is coming from the top, right here, from row 1 to 2. And then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to come from the bottom one, which is spot 4, and I'm going to jump into the bottom row. And when I do that, you'll notice that the window goes down. Kind of put up, you can see both. See, if you can see now, when I put this bottom pin into this bottom hole down here, the window should go down. I'm going to kind of zoom out so you can probably see both at the same time. There's the window. So what I'm going to do now is once I touch this, as you can see, the window's coming down. As I touch this spot right here, that's letting my window go down pretty much. So once again, this is how you would let your window up on a vehicle, just in case for some reason your switch was to go bad. And of course you want to go ahead and get you another switch, that way it'll work the proper way. But until then, what you can use is jumper wires to actually let your window up or down. And like I said, if you're on a Chevy Traverse, to let your window down, you would go from spot 1 to 2, then you will come to spot 4 and jump it down to the spot 4 on the bottom row with your. And if you would like to help out our channel, please click the super thanks below and donate a $2 to whatever you want to. Thanks, it helps out greatly. Power horn has been configured this way, setting like that. Alright folks, once again, this is how you will let your window up. For some reason your window won't go up or down. This is the same for multiple vehicles, but if you're actually jumping it on a Chevy Traverse, a Buick Enclave, as well as a GMC, this is the configuration that you would use. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.